slow and steady trading. And today, we're here to talk about jobs. Just get another job. When somebody tell you, just get another job, right? Once you get to a certain point, once you done did enough of getting jobs, when you feel like you need a raise at one job, they ain't giving it to you, or you're worth more, you go and try to find another job, or you're working on something, or you're doing something and people see you doing it, but they don't understand what you're doing, so they tell you just get a job, right? Now don't get me wrong, a job is good to have. Everybody need a job, but you come to a point where you realize it got to be more than just a job, more than just clocking in and working for somebody. Now, I'm not saying quit your job. Let's you get to a point to whatever you're doing on your own, give you that privilege. But if you're working on something, for me, I'm doing stocks. I also do photography on the side, but that's a whole other subject, right? And a big thing for me with the stocks, with the slow and steady trading YouTube channel, that's another thing I'm going, even though that ain't really making, it ain't making no money yet, but as long as we consistent, right? It's time to do something besides just get a job. If you got some kind of hobby or some kind of skill, put yourself out there, do it part-time, even if it's just on the weekend or something you can put in maybe an hour or two after work. You know what I'm saying? Besides just getting a job. Now, don't get me wrong. If you need a job, you need a job. But if you got some big time job, you some big boss CEO, but I guess if you're a CEO, you might not. I guess you might be running a job. But anyways, you got some big time management position or something like that, and it's paying you a whole bunch of money, then I understand. I'm not saying that. But for the average person like me, I'm, driving. Y'all see me driving to work, doing videos at work, driving home. For the average person, find you something that you can do on your own that might be able to start making you a little income. Something besides just sitting around and getting another job, okay? Or just working a job. Because whatever you're doing, it might can take off. And don't listen to what people say when they tell you just get a job, get another job. Now, if you need a job, you need a job. But what I'm saying is, supplement your job if you can. It's something you enjoy doing or like to do, and that you can make some money at, so it won't feel so much like a job, right? I'm pretty sure what I'm saying ain't nothing new. It's just, my little message for today, right? So don't let nobody, if you're already doing something, you washing cars, you cutting grass, and it ain't really making you a big turnout just yet, and somebody telling you, oh, forget that, just get a job. They might not see the vision, or they probably don't see the vision that you see, or have the understanding you have at whatever you working on, right? So keep at it. Don't listen to nobody saying nothing negative. If you're doing something, if you see the potential in it to make the money, but ain't making the money yet, it take time to get there, to get profitable in what you're doing. So stay motivated, like I am with these stocks, like I am with this YouTube channel, and keep at it. Because once you figure out something outside of a job that you can make money at, then the money you can make can almost be infinite. There's nobody telling you to clock out. Nobody telling you, okay, you fired today, right? So this is slow and steady trading. I just wanted to come with a little message. I know it's kind of all over the place, but like I said, I'm gonna bring more than just trade on this YouTube channel, because I'm not at a computer all day and I'm not able to trade and share screens with y'all. I'm just like you. I'm going to work, coming from work, but I'm working on something that maybe move me out of this work in one day. If it don't, cool. As long as I keep doing what I'm doing, I'm making my money on the side, and just keep improving, keep improving. So slow and steady trading. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll be back.